And Carvalho, how she sets up her teammates.
And on we go right now, and quickly a point. Iba yung makauna ka na kaagad eh.
Oh, wow. That was a really good serve.
Poyos was there for UST. Here comes that drop. Well aware, ang College of St. Benilde and Baromeo.
And set by Dorog, and it was a low one, kaya mabilis nakapasok yung bola.
Set or Jessa Dorog, their team captain para sa CSB. They'll try to set it all up para sa kanya, perdido. That service from Densing, over-received. Here comes Benil, trying to be quick about it with Sam Nolasco right there near the net. And Rado caught.
It's so hard to guard mga lefties. That's even.
Is that for some sort of a pressure?
Yeah, parang merong ganun, ano? Pressure on both.
Yep.
Parang pressure for the Lady Blazers to take the first win from UST, and UST pressure to keep the winning streak, diba?
The dig by UST. Rally ongoing. Borromeo still keeping it in play. UST trying to be quick about it. Zamnola. First technical timeout here in the opening set of this Game 1 semis between these two teams. Sangay Poyo strike. Carvalho setting this one up.
Mababa. It was calling for a faster play, and that's why hindi pa nakaset up yung blockers, napasok.
Anyways, continuing with the action here. Densing making it happen again.
Offense, matinik ang kanilang defense. Look at that, Carvalho. But Benilde was there for that.
Carvalho. Ball still in play. Unbelievable. Goal. The drop. Good dig right there by Jurado. Ball still up. Carvalho. Oh, let's be quick about this one.
That was a good first ball from Poyos. Kaya tinaas lang halos yung kamay. That's why the middle was activated.
11. See Densing. Poyos is right there in the back row. Here comes Jurado once again. 13-14. It's Carvalho. Surely she would want to make up for it. That dig by Carvalho. Let's see. Ito, ayaw. Mayroon nandun kasi. 14-15. Kanino sila pupunta? Jurado once again. 6 errors ng UST, 5 on Benilde so far here in set number 1. Grabe na.
Ano ba nangyari doon? That's a really good back set, and you'd see yung kamay kasi ng blockers na ni Boro. So kaya it wasn't a full block.
Could also create a lot of confusion sa defensive side as Jurado goes for it.
Good dig.
Densing got blocked. Denied.
Open yung wing hitters.
You see the advantage in attacks. You saw those numbers earlier. Borromeo wanting to. Estoque gets blocked.
That only means you never know what's gonna happen next.
Yeah, syempre, ang mind frame nila ron is to get back. And kumbaga recover from makabawi naman ang St. Benilde. A disparity of 7 attacks back in the first. Hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko. Bakit ba ganyan? Anyways.
Good. Ball, kaya out of system sila agad.
Receive. Pero nag-scramble pa ang CSB that time. And Jurado goes cross-court. Basarte, Sam Nolasco caught the line.
Ano siya, very aggressive siya on blocks, and very aggressive siya sa kanyang mga setup.
Look at where they are now. Slowly but surely making a name for themselves here in the sport of volleyball.
Down the line.
So si Basarte sumasabay na sa mga ginagawa rin ni Carvalho naman para sa UST. Para sa UST who was able to finish the preliminaries undefeated. Oh! Remember, it's UST who took the first set. But going for the running attack, 11-13. It's the combination here. Perdido, the dig. Yes, gets it over. Perdido goes for it. The dig by CSB, dancing with a drop. But on USC, they could not let their guards down. Anything can happen here. They're facing a tough challenge here being put up by the Lady Blazers. Hoyos got blocked. Pepito was able to still keep it in play here. Micah go with a dig. Oh, how about that?
Attacks nila. So, Coach Jerry is, pushing them na kung ano yung pre-practice, yun yung kailangan gawin.
Serving. Trying to create a bigger and a wider gap. The separation between these two teams. Aussies!
I mean, look at this. It's so perfect for Aussies.
18-14. Sarte. Off speed by Borromeo. Nabitin naman that time.
So that they can move faster.
Here's once again the set by Basarte. Ball still in play. Micah Go. Free ball right there. Eto na si Angge Poyos. Somehow they found a way to keep it in play here for the Benilde Lady Blazers, but not for long.
To put them in good positions. Yung hindi nabablock.
Good dig right there by Arlene Wahe. As we brace ourselves for a rally here. Arlene Wahe going Angge Poyos. No can. Banagua with a drop. That save. Free ball ng Lady Blazers. Ito si Angge Poyos.
Ang bilis niyang mag-adjust. Tingnan mo yun. Nandun na yung blockers pero linihis niya yung tira niya. Oh.
The best things in life are free. And now they're up by 6 again. 22-16. Perdido with that push. Basilio. Oh! May panap talaga tinatapatan yan eh.
Nice serve!
Oh, it's an ace!
Oh man, parang nag-serve in that set. But what a serve.
At yan ang ating grab ace. Oh, nalamang na ng 2.
And they have to get their energy level up. Yeah, that's a good coverage.
Micah Go. Hoyos with the dig for UST. Comes that attack. Tuloy pa rin. So Jurado may dig. Oh! Muntik pa. Talk about recovery for the Lady Blazers, but this semi-final match, 2-0. Jurado! Ganda naman ng
Blockers that was hard to defend.
Oh, nice! Ayan, makakatulong talaga yan. Micah 2. Let's see if it still would continue. Momentum third way. Anong gagawin? Save. Then Sing with a drop. Good dig by Poyos. Jurado! Grabe rin makarecover kagad ang UST, no?
Oo, mabilis.
Wala sila yatang ano eh. Oh, lamang pa ngayon. With ang Poyos.
Oo, sa kanya.
Look at this Jangnan. Attack of the set. Hotpot ba? Attack na sa Jangnan. Turn to make a run as they lead 7-5 right now. Wow, how about that? Desensya mo, volleyball?
Pero,
dahil babahaba yung rallies, ganon?
Oo, ganon. Pag nagkakamali, di ba? Pasensya.
Sa bagay, oo.
Ang galing ni Jurado, the way. Ano pang, what's the next best thing to do? There you go. Cut shot.
Ang College of St. Benilde could really make use of a point that could go their way right now. Micah Go with that dig. Basate going to Borromeo.
There's that setup to Borromeo, but look at how the blockers were ready for her. Tapos, kinontrol pa.
To keep on fighting and playing here. This is game 1, semifinals.
Good save.
Yeah, Banagua went really quick for that one. Then go back to her, and this time around, she will. Borromeo. It's Carvalho again with that set one of the semifinals. It's Carvalho. Angge Poyos.
I told you, it's zone.
Micah Go. Dig by Angge Poyos. Magagawan ba ng paraan that bitin na nga parang mali pero pumunta.
Akin ba yun? Kasi I think she was just going up for a fake. But then, the ball went in and she earned the point.
Tus pa. Grabe naman.
Oh, wow!
It's an ace! Falling apart.
Parang iniwasan nila yung bola there.
Ace. Where naman, Borromeo was right there in the back row. Then Singh. The dig by Jurado. Ito naman ang atake ng UST.
Stop, give that ball to your setter like that, and then set up your hitters.
Did Singh, the dig by Poyos.
Oh my goodness.
Play as it hindi siya ready sa play na yun.
Nagulat ako kasi parang napako lahat ng play.
Blazers, Basate, Micah Go. So right there. Oh, she got the line.
Layo-layo ang kailangang habulin ng Lady Blazers.
Yep. Then Singh.
Then Singh is the one who's really fighting.
Serving 20. Gosh.
Wow.
Magaling.
Kay Carvalho. Nice setup.
Here in game one of the semifinals and would still continue with their win streak here sa ating V-League 2024 Collegiate Challenge. It's Carvalho again. But you always expect something wonderful is going to happen for UST with Carvalho. Sets it up. That time.
Because the floor defense of the Lady Blazers really have to be more active.
Stoke. Again. Romeo. Free ball. Chance here for UST. The combination. Oh, wow. Biglang natapos lang, ganon-ganon. A service error pa.